I'd like to solve the puzzle. Vinny Hootu. I'm sorry, Jim. That is incorrect. The correct answer is Vanna White. No! I just love Vanna White. And you know what? I found a recipe of hers in this celebrity cookbook. Here she is. It's for Vanna White's layered pea salad. It's very much a 7-layer salad, pea salad. But you know what? It's Vanna's pea salad. Let's make it. Bowl. First I need a head of lettuce. Chop it up. Put it in the bowl. Chop up some celery. Put it in the bowl. Chop a green pepper in the bowl. Hard boil some eggs and slice them up. In the bowl, chop up a red onion. This goes on top. I'd like to buy a pea, please. Thawed frozen peas in a small bowl. To that, I add 2 cups of Miracle Whip. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix that together. Spoon that on top. Next, add on some crumbled bacon. And top it all off with some cheddar cheese. We have ourselves a Vanna White layered pea salad. Refrigerate until ready to serve. Thanks, Vanna. I love your salad. Why didn't the bird watcher have to buy a vowel when he was on the Wheel of Fortune? Because he had a sparrow.